Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today also we have got another video. In this video I'll show you how you can answer a question on Sendit Snapchat. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's go ahead and step into our video. First of all, open our Sendit app, and then without doing anything you will be able to find this kind of interface over here. So what you're gonna do is simply go ahead, tap on this share option. It will redirect you to Snapchat over here with this kind of interface. Take a snap and go ahead, upload this to your story over here, add it to your story, and go back to your profile over here, and you can see the story has been added over there. So for you to get to see the responses, see the questions, again you will go back to your Sendit, and you will be able to find this inbox icon on top right corner. Right, go ahead, tap on that, and here you will be able to see all of the inboxes, all of the replies that you will get from your story over there. Yes, so if you would like to respond to any of the questions, what you can do is you can again go ahead, go back to your Snapchat, and you will go ahead, take a snap over here. You can go ahead, take a picture, and you can write that particular answer over here, and you can send that person back. So that's how you can get a question from your Sendit Snapchat and answer like that. So yes guys, this is it. This is how you can simply do it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and yeah, I'll be seeing you guys in our next video.